Alright guys, so I'm going to come on here and do a quick unboxing and review on my new Alpine Cordless Impact Wrench. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. Very nice toolbox that it comes in. Check it out. Got the user manual for it right there. Comes with the charger for the 2 batteries. So very cool, you get 2 of these. So you get this 2mm socket, 9mm, the 7mm, and then a 22mm. And this is the actual cordless one itself right here. So just go ahead and put the battery on it. Okay. You do have some lighting right here. So ready to go. Very cool. So let's go ahead and actually test it out and see how it works. So there you guys have it. You guys are looking for a new cordless impact wrench. Definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.